Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy LB, and today I'm going to show you how to create this effect using rotobrush tool inside Adobe After Effects. This is before and this is after. So now let's see how to do it in Adobe After Effects. Guys, as you see here, this is my video clip. Is the one which I'm going to use. Okay, you see it has the smooth move, guys. Okay, so now the things I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this video by Ctrl+D and then come up here on this rotobrush tool. So now I'm going to select my subject. I'm going to select my subject well using this rotobrush tool. Okay, so let me do it first, and then after you have to track. Okay, depend how your camera move is moving. Okay, so you have to track it well as possible. Okay guys, and then when you're done, you come up here on this composition, the main composition. Okay, so now this is how my subject which I have been selected is. Okay, this is how it is. And then so let me open up this second layer. Yes, the things I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this first clip. Okay, and you have to duplicate it again. Okay, because I'm going to use two duplications. So now click P on this position. Okay, on this layer you have to add keyframe for this position, and then you have to jump like a few frames. So you have to move one duplication of this subject in this side. Okay, so and yeah, let me try to move it here. So oh shit, and let me move this main one and move this layer here on up, because my main subject must be on front of this duplication. And you have to duplicate again another duplication of this subject, because I'm going to put it on other side. Okay, so and then you have to select that layer. Okay, this layer, and then click P on your keyboard. You have to add the keyframe. Okay, and then let me move another duplication here on this side. Okay guys, you see how this stuff it is. And then after animating these guys, this duplication, so and you have to resize it well, just to position it in a good way. Okay, so it means that the first duplication will come, and then the second one it will become after. So now select those keyframe and right click, and I'm going to smooth it by easy, or you can use shortcut as F9. Okay, so now let me select these two keyframes. Okay, and they have to go here on this graph and smooth it in this way, and then select this one too, go on this graph. Okay, and I have to select those points to smooth in this way. Okay, it will comes first ended by slow. So now let me enable this smooth icon on these two layers. Okay, for this duplication. Okay, so when I play, guys, you see how my effect it is. This is very unique. Okay, yeah, this is how my effect is, guys. Okay, and then so let me add the keyframe here where my effect will be disappeared. Okay, so and I have to add the keyframe for position in both two layers. Okay, so and I have to jump like a few frames, and you have to reset that keyframe as default. So and then you have to select it again, and I'm going to smooth it. Okay, so right click on easy is already smoothed, and then come back here on this graph, and I'm going to smooth. Okay, in this way too. So let me back here on this timeline, and then I'm going to play, and let me see how this effect is. Okay, this is how my effect comes, and this is how it goes. Okay guys, This is the very simple trick that you can use for using, guys, this roto brush tool inside Adobe After Effects. If you have any question, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. See you in the next video. Peace.